time is always right to do what is right. If we need to take any decision, we should take it in the 5 seconds. The amount of time it takes to start walking would rebuild our health. The time we take to raise our hands in a meeting can change how we are perceived at work. The thought taken to open our mouth and compliment someone, we could brighten someone's day. If we don't, the moment will pass. So we need to kick ourselves. Friends, we will have 101 reasons to hold ourselves back, but it's wrong. It's not safer to stay quiet, nor futile to try, nor risky to try. All our excuses and reasons are wrong. There is no right time to improve. The moment we move, we will discover our strength. That's the way to bring the real you, by pushing out of your head and into the world. And the best time to do it is right now. When your heart tells you to move, we should. We waste so much of our lives waiting for the right time to have the conversation, or to ask for the raise, or bring it up, or even to start a small things. These points remind me the greatest quote. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. It means you never regret the shots you took, but you always regret holding back. Life is already hard, yet we make it so much harder when we listen to our fears. We convince ourselves to wait, and we hold the greatest selves back. We all do it, right? The question is, why do we do this? The answer is brutal. You can call it fear of rejection, or the fear of failure, or fear of looking bad. But the reality is, we hide because we are afraid even to try. I'll give you an example here. One of my friend's daughter had an opportunity to write an essay in state level competition, but the child did not show interest. When asked the reason, she had no doubt about her ability, rather said, "What if I don't win?" That's the fear of sucking, of not being good enough, of feeling like a loser. None of us want to face that reality. So why we avoid it? I will ask one more simple question here. What if we are wrong? Think, what if we are wrong? This is a powerful question, and we don't ask it. If anything is wrong in our life, do we really let our worries stop us from doing work or having food or so on? No, definitely not. So, at this point, why can't we ask one more question for ourselves? That is, so what? So what if we stuck or lose? At least we tried. Is it not a good thought? The only thing relevant is we ourselves. The power is inside us. The only way we can assess that power is pushing ourselves to try. We can never stop from worrying, but we can stop ourselves from letting those worries drag us into a parade of worries that take control of our mind. We can assess ourselves and push ourselves to think about something empowering. You step back into the present moment and go for what you want, and you can do it in 5 seconds. We are all guilty of thinking about getting involved but not doing it. We always wait for the right time. It's total stupidity. Actually, we are not ready. To overcome, we need to reassure ourselves with the push to forget the excuses and the feelings. We all need to do this. We are all capable of greatness, and I believe in that. But it is our feelings and fears that convince us it's not the right time, and we keep us from achieving greatness. So, now we know, even if we are wrong, we should not sit back trying as we can learn to grow better. So, what are we waiting for? Are we waiting for someone to ask us, drag us, pick us, or to find the courage to push ourselves? Are you waiting to feel ready or waiting to gain confidence? Friends, sometimes there is no next time, no second chance, or no time out. Stop waiting. It's now or never. When you wait, you are not procrastinating. You're doing something more dangerous. You're deliberately convincing yourself now is not the time. You are actively working against your dreams. We need to emphasize on the qualities instead of focusing on our shortcomings. We may think we are protecting ourselves from judgment or rejection or even upsetting someone. But when we make excuses and talk ourselves into waiting, we are limiting our abilities to make our dreams come true. We feel amazed by how much time we have wasted in our life waiting for the right time, waiting until we are sure, or waiting until we are perfect. This doesn't work. We may be afraid of finding out that we suck, like my friend's daughter. Let me tell you, really, we are not suck. It is when we become older and regret that we never went for it. Being 30 and realizing we let fear of what our friends thought keep us from every reality putting ourselves. When we reach 45 and wishing we had the courage to take on a project at work that now we realize would have changed the career. Or sitting in college classes eating a degree to please your parents when knowing in your heart that you want to do something else with your life. There is no right time. There is only right now. You get one life. This it is. And it's not going to begin again. It's up to us to push ourselves to make the most of us, and the time to do is right now. To overcome all this, we need to validate our ideas by pursuing them. It's heartbreaking to realize that many of us with a creative idea or product concept is waiting for someone else to validate it. It's so sad because waiting for others' validation will be the death of our dreams. If you have an idea for a show or a book and you are waiting for an executive at a TV network or a publishing house to pick you, you will lose. Waiting until you are ready will not make it happen. The world does not work that way. The world rewards those who are courageous enough. The person who has the courage to start, creates, and put themselves and their ideas out is the one who will win. We need to push ourselves to get out of a comfort zone, and we need to begin. There is no other way. You can stop waiting for the right time. You need to just simply start. Waiting, thinking, and almost doing it doesn't count. To change anything, you actually have to do it. The difference between people who make their dreams come true and those of us who don't is just one thing common: the courage to start and the discipline to keep going, which is very much required in our life. Waiting won't help. Waiting will only make it worse. When you sit with fear and uncertainty, your mind make it expand. It's called the spot effect, and it's one of the many tricks your brain plays in an attempt to keep you safe. But safety is not all we need. We need to rebuild our life. You can feel uncertainty and be ready. You can be afraid and do it anyway. You can fear of rejection and still go for it. Time is gritty and hard, and then suddenly it is brilliant and amazing. The treasure in your life is buried within you. It's not inside of someone else, it is within us. We are the source of power in ourselves. We need to unlock that power when we listen to our instincts and start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and push ourselves to honor ourselves. When we discover our inner true self, it will be the most important gift of all. Friends, we have realized that nobody is going to come and get us to live the life we want to live, and for that, taking action is the only way to create our own space into the world. The way we activate the power of ourselves is by finding the courage we need for every single day to push ourselves forward. When we listen to our instincts, everything is clear that what you must do and we need to do as per it. There is no debate when you follow what's inside your heart. The only thing that will quiet the chatter in the head is a decision to move. As I said in earlier episode, we are just one decision away from a complete different life. We are also afraid of uncertainty that we want a guarantee before we even try. We want evidence that if we take a risk, we will get. To play any game, you have to start. To win, you will need to keep going. If you want to make your dreams come true, you need to get ready for the longer game. Life is not a one and done sort of deal. You have got to work for what you want. Do you know the game Angry Birds? Rovino, the brand, the creator of the game, launched 551 unsuccessful games before he developed Angry Birds. Success is a number game, and you're not going to win it if you keep telling yourself to wait. The more often than you choose courage, the more likely we will succeed. When we count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and push ourselves forward, we will discover the magic in our life and we open ourselves up to the world, to opportunity and to possibilities. You might not get the right response you wanted, but that's not the point. In the end, you will get something way cooler. You will discover the power inside of you. Thank you.